You need to spray this product on your plants right before your first frost date in the fall. What is it? Well, it's actually something very common, seaweed. Seaweed fertilizer. This one is particularly from Blue Planet Nutrients, not a sponsored video, but you can see the NPK ratio 1:18. We want to focus on this 18, which is really focusing on, the plant's defenses and, just getting the plant ready for winter. That's what we really want. Our goal is with this spray. So you just follow package directions and do 1 small scoop. I can show you what this looks like. See, all you have to do is use this included scoop. You just use about 1 scoop per this 64-ounce container, and then you just add water and go ahead and spritz your plants with it. Like a rose too, just go ahead, spritz your plants with it and go around and do that. What this will do is it's foliar feeding your plants with this plant strengthening. It's a little known secret that seaweed strengthens your plants, but it really does. So the one thing you do want to keep in mind when you're buying it is you want to make sure it's coming from the correct source. It usually will say right here the Nodoscotum, the type of seaweed. That's the one you want right there. I can't really pronounce it, but you can see it right there on the bottle. So it's just a quick tip video. I just want to share this with you. It'll help your plants strengthen up its immune defenses before winter, and we'll have a better start when it comes springtime. So until I see you in the next video, get on growing.